When running piping through concrete, both the International Plumbing Code, or IC Section 705.3, and the Uniform Plumbing Code, or UC Section 605.3, require that piping passing through concrete or masonry walls or floors be protected by a sleeve that extends at least 6 inches beyond the finished surface. However, the IPC and UPC do not specify the material for the sleeve or the piping passing through it. Local building codes or the authority having jurisdiction, or OJ, requirements may specify the material. It is common practice in many areas to use a PVC sleeve with PVC pipe. PVC is a durable and corrosion-resistant material, and it is relatively easy to install. Another common practice involves using a rigid sleeve with PVC pipe. This practice is often used when the pipe is large or the concrete is thick because rigid conduit provides additional support and protection for the pipe. Ultimately, the AHJ has the authority to determine the specific requirements for piping passing through concrete. They may require either PVC or rigid sleeves, or they may allow both options depending on the specific circumstances. It is generally recommended to consult with the local AHJ before installing piping through concrete to ensure compliance with local code requirements.